Being a teenager is hard. Come on, we all know that. There undergoes very rapid and confusing changes on their body and brain. I believe no human gets to escape this moody and confusing phase. Interestingly, such an extended adolescence is unique to humans. Long back, science assumed that all the volatile emotions that came with puberty were due to some new hormones racing through the body. Today, however, we know that the teenage brain undergoes massive neurological changes during puberty. With a better understanding of what's happening in our inner teen's brain, we are able to support children through adolescence. Now, let's have a look at what happens in the teenage brain. Teenagers go through a very delicate stage. They are all too often perceived as moody and ticking time bombs. But there are few reasons for their uncertain behavior. Let's take a look. Many believe that hormones are the culprit for wild behavior and emotional outbursts. But the fact is there's a lot more. The tween brain is like an extremely absorbent sponge dedicated to learning absolutely everything. I repeat, absolutely everything. Their brains rapidly develop on a cellular level, making connections as their brain forms, learns, and develops. Between the age of 10 and 15, the teenage brain undergoes a phenomenon during sleep that's integral to the maturation in a process called synaptic pruning. This happens through myelination, a process where a specific neural connection in the brain is coated with an electrically conductive fatty substance called myelin. It allows faster recall and better access to memory. This is the reason why teens naturally understand, learn, and adapt to new technologies and information easily. Parents should encourage and support their teens' interest to help them come from this phase of life. Alongside these interests, we often identify teens engaging in risky and dangerous activities that makes a child defiant and reckless. This is due to the pruning of the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of the brain that's responsible for risk-taking plannings. So instead of trying to control them, we can encourage them to take positive risks. Doing so will allow them to learn consequences, assert independence, develop their identity, problem solve, and grow inside. Next is the biggest challenge: moodiness and emotional outbursts. Brain produces multiple hormones and also releases during puberty. These are all responsible for the healthy functioning and regulation of the body. To our surprises, one of these hormones is called allopregnanolone, which is released into the bloodstream to help us calm down when we experience stress. But it's found that this hormone has the opposite effect on teens during puberty. It induces heightened levels of anxiety, which often results in teens misinterpreting your face, thoughts, and emotions. People need to understand that they aren't necessarily going to interpret things the way we intend to. Thus, we should aim to approach adolescence armed with knowledge of the changes occurring in teens' developing brains and bodies. This will help us to practice compassion, patience, and kindness. Hope you have enjoyed this video.